In this video tutorial, we will provide you with help to get rid of the new adware that is named ManagerObsession. ManagerObsession is the adware belonging to the adload family of infections. ManagerObsession adware may cause unexpected browser redirections to random websites. Furthermore, it may also show its annoying ads whenever you are online. So no matter what site you go to, you may see these ads that are really stubborn and very annoying indeed. So this is all because of this ManagerObsession adware. You need to remove it, so check your applications, right click on it and move it to the trash. I also recommend you to research the computer with Combo Cleaner that can be found on the page combocleaner.com. Use the green download button, install it and start researching the system with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time. Wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to Premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, Premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider Premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.